Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and today I am privileged to be working on my 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. And what I'm doing today is a very simple project. I am replacing the rear sway bar links. Now these two links came from a larger kit from Detroit Axle, and these are parts I haven't gotten to yet, so I'm going to do that today. And you might ask, well, why replace these little links? And the answer is that they can cause noises. If you are driving over a speed bump, or you hit a small pothole, or just normal driving, and you're hearing creaking and noises in the frame, and it sounds like it's coming from the rear. Well, it could be something as simple as this little link, and sometimes you start with the easiest thing to replace. Now, much larger job would be replacing the upper and lower control arms on this car, but you might want to try, again, replacing the link first for little noises from the rear end. Now, normally when I work on vehicles, when I work underneath, I'll raise the vehicle up and put jack stands underneath the car. Nice thing about these little links, you don't have to do that, and it actually saves quite a bit of time. Parts like this have memory built into them, meaning that you want to position them in the same position the car rides. So if we jacked it up, we'd have to measure from the bearing to the top of the fender well, and then raise the vehicle, and then raise the suspension up to that mark to make sure you install it correctly. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to save some time, and there's plenty of room here to crawl underneath to replace these links. Okay, underneath the vehicle here on the left side, you can see the link right there. Again, the sway bar is the bar that's attached to it. It goes all the way to the other side, and then it links it to the lower control arm. So I'm going to begin by taking off the lower bolt, and it is a 15 millimeter. Okay, once you get the bolt and the nut off, you simply pull up from the top and it comes right out. Here's the replacement. We'll just do it in reverse order. Crowbar just for a little bit of persuasion here. There we go. Okay, the passenger side was more difficult to get to. I basically had to use an extension and a 1/4 inch ratchet with a universal end on it, but I was able to get in there and get it loose. So just so you know, this will be a little more difficult on the passenger side.
Hey, thanks for coming to my channel and watching this video. If you like the video, please hit like it. It
costs you nothing but is of great value to me. I am not a professional. I'm simply a backyard mechanic. This literally is my garage, and I do this in my off time. Please also consider subscribing to Scott's Garage. Hit the bell notification. Also, there is a referral link below to the Brave browser. I heard about it several months ago, and I finally downloaded it, followed a referral link a couple months ago. Absolutely love it. It's very safe, very secure. It's an up-and-coming browser, and if you're curious, click on the link below and give it a try. Have a great day.